All right, it is trapezoid time. So you guys already looked through. You figured out that this is acute, this is obtuse, and this is acute. And now, pause the video. I want you to try and get your best estimates as to what degree is this acute angle, what degree is this obtuse angle, and this obtuse angle, and this acute angle, by using some of your other pattern blocks to help you get those good estimates, okay? All right, I'm going to start in, though, after you've had time to do that. Now, I'm going to come through and use this handy-dandy protractor and get that exact measurement of this acute angle. So first, I need to get this zero line up and matched up with one side of the trapezoid. And then I'm going to take my other hand and start measuring this little acute angle. And there we go, we're almost there, and boom, 60 degrees. Let's go over to the right acute angle and see what that one is. So if I change around, what? It happened again, you guys. So if I take this at a 0, and I'm at one side of this acute angle, and I bring it over 60 degrees again. So we have two 60-degree angles, two acute angles that are 60 degrees. How about the top angles of the hexagon, or not hexagon, trapezoid here? I'm going to rotate my 0. Is it going to be 60 degrees? Well, no, because it's an obtuse angle. And I see my 90 degree right there. So I'm going to go ahead, bring this over to 0 and show you. 90. But we're not there yet. We have to keep going. It's obtuse. Hey, isn't that neato? 120 degrees. That was like the same measurement as the hexagon. How weird is that? Okay, how about the other top angle of this trapezoid? I'm bringing this over. My 0's up here. And now I'm measuring, and it's 90. No, I keep going because it's obtuse. And yep, it's the 120 degrees. Again.